Hey there, YouTube fans. Hope you've all had a good Thanksgiving. Tomorrow, of course, is Cyber Monday, when all of the online retailers have their sales. I'm not big on running sales. I only do one or two a year, but this is one of them. So if you're looking to save up to 50% on any of my tutorials for Microsoft Access, Word, Excel, or anything else that I teach, click on the link in the description box below the video. If you're an existing student of mine and you're up to date on the classes I've already released, but you want to still take advantage of this special, you can reload your account balance and use that for courses coming out in the future. Again, see below for details. As always, thanks for learning with Computer Learning Zone. Have a safe and happy holiday season.